So welcome to the second day of the opening of mail. My name's Brian with GreyWolf Towers, and just wanted to let you guys see this. The reason that I kept it for a separate video is because this technically is part of the community build project. Although it wasn't designated that way, I do want to give a shout out to Ronnie for helping us with these parts. I haven't seen what they are, just a little bit of a description in Discord from what he said. So I think I know what it is, but let's double check and let everyone see. Alright. So Ronnie, thank you. No matter what it is, I appreciate it. We'll be able to put it to some use. So let's take a look here. Alright, so we have... so it looks like a 4 GB stick of DDR3. Always good to have a couple of these, so that'll be good. And then we have here a stick of Ripjaws. Let's take a look here. Ripjaws X. So it looks like we've got a stick of 4 GB of Kingston RAM, PC3, which would be DDR3. A stick of Ripjaws X, which I'm not sure the size. I'm going to take a wild guess and say it's either 4 gigs or 8 gigs, so we'll have to test it out later and see. Looking at it, looks to be DDR3 as well. And a 120 GB SSD. Let's see here. Oh, unopened. Awesome. So thank you so much. This will go towards our community build. Ronnie, thank you. And thank you very much. That's all I can really say, other than you did an awesome job with this. We appreciate it. This will go towards the community build, and we will make sure that your name is added to the list for that. So thank you everyone for watching this opening of mail for the community build project. And again, I'd like to give a special shout out to Ronnie. Thank you for donating these parts to us. We will definitely find a use for these, and we appreciate it a lot. Thank you. So, hope everyone has a great day. Hope it was enjoyable. Again, if you enjoy our videos, please leave a comment, like the video, and as always, subscribe to keep up to date to our video series that we run. So, have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching.